actually called hypervigilance,
Okay.
which our Albanian community lovely members are, right? Being reactive, being impulsive, constantly being on edge, because your amygdala has hijacked your brain, and it learned that it couldn't really rely on the logic or the frontal lobe to tell it that we're safe, we're okay. So now you almost have a faulty amygdala, that it doesn't work. But
How do we fix the amygdala? That's the
and
problem.
this is how we fix the
How do we
amygdala.
fix the amygdala?
So
I love
Liliana
it.
talked about wiring your brain, right? And in science, in biology, we've learned that you can rewire your brain
Okay.
at any point in your life, right? It is unfortunate that what you went through as a child was not in your hands. You didn't have much control over that. However, you have full control of it while you're an adult. So there's something called neuroplasticity. And neuroplasticity, what it does, this was shown in studies, that if one part of the brain was damaged, the rest of the brain rewired itself in that
To
way
compensate.
to compensate for the function of that brain. So the same thing works for a brain that's hijacked by the amygdala, right? You can rewire your brain. There's so many ways to, by healing your nervous system, right? By not being hypervigilant
Can you give us some
anymore.
examples of how you can you rewire your
Yeah,
brain?
so there are these two really powerful therapy approaches. One of them is CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, which basically tells you that, consider your brain as your garden.